Warren Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful." This has never been more true than during economic growth and recession cycles. And especially now, with coronavirus outbreak, when some companies strive, and others suffer. During the global lockdown, travel and hospitality industries are suffering quite a lot, while delivery and marketplaces are seeing the biggest ever economical growth. So, how to make sense of it and continue investing in these turbulent times? One of the approaches is a contrarian investment strategy. The idea behind it is to buy when everyone sells, and sell when everyone buys. It is not as simple as it sounds though. Proper due diligence should still take place. Let's take a look at how to approach it in a smart way. Number 1. Identify an industry that is negatively affected by current events. Travel and hospitality industries are a good example during the lockdown, but not the only ones. Number 2. Evaluate whether the industry has the potential to bounce back. Some industries are in a downturn because they may be dying out completely. Number 3. Identify industry leaders. While the industry can bounce back, it may be the case that some companies within it will not recover. Number 4. Do a proper due diligence on each identified leader. Check competitiveness, recent and historical earning, return on investment, and much more. And what about investments you already have? Number 1. Identify whether your investments are positively affected by current events. Delivery and marketplaces are some industries you should take a closer look at. Number 2. Identify whether there are companies that are overvalued due to these events at the moment. For example, food delivery may go down when cafes and restaurants will reopen again. Number 3. Try to estimate whether companies can't do better anymore. This requires thorough due diligence on the company as well as its industry. Do you think contrarian investment is a sound strategy? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Jessie, power off.